Looking for a simple way to support energy, relaxation, and overall wellness? Try Nature's Lab Magnesium Powder, a delicious raspberry lemon drink mix designed to help your body reach naturally refreshing raspberry lemon flavor. Manufactured with love in Nevada in a CGMP-certified facility, every batch is lab-tested for purity, potency, and consistency. Charge and rebalance naturally. Magnesium plays a vital role in energy production, helping your body metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and amino acids for fuel. It also aids in the proper use of key minerals like calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, making it an essential part of your daily nutrition. But the benefits don't stop there. Magnesium is critical for calcium absorption, bone and cardiovascular health, and helps support muscle function, nerve signaling, and protein synthesis. This formula also promotes a sense of calm and relaxation, making it a great choice for unwinding after a long day or supporting stress management. And because it comes in a fast-absorbing powder form, it offers greater bioavailability than tablets, all with